The waters rose, but God remembered Noah. 40 days and nights the rain fell. Every mountain disappeared. Only the ark remained. Then the waters receded, and Noah stepped onto dry ground. God placed a rainbow in the sky, a promise never to destroy the earth by flood again. If you believe God keeps His promises, comment Amen. But the story of mankind was far from over. What came next changed history. Stay tuned for the next Bible story.
Like, subscribe for more true Bible stories.